both together?
We'll try.
Just be careful what you're doing, Aaron, because if one of them go in your face, you're going to look back. You're going to look like that fucking... You will look like a right.
Hey, Aaron, is that your dad?
Where?
No.
Not dad, I mean your
Mum.
Your mum. The star.
No, it's just the star in the sky.
Yes, it is.
His mum. Or it's thingy.
Dennis.
I'm
Yeah,
not trying to
possibly.
be reminded of it.
Nah.
Go on, Azar.
Oh, well, the O5.
Come on, you bastard. Underneath. The boat's gone.
Off we go!
Fucking hell, that went over there. Couldn't see that one.
Fucking Jesus, I need to get it on the fucking camera.
No, me neither.
Point over that way a bit, Azar. Go straight up.
Should do.
Did you get? That's better. That's better. Lot better.
Yeah. Much better.
Right, there it's gone.
Get a bus back home.
I'd like 2 more of these and we'll go back. These are going to be boom! Oh, they're not.
No, they're not that bad,
They're going to
but...
be boom.
Dum.
Just let me know when you can have a break, because I need to go empty.
After these,
Alright. I don't want to miss them all.
I just smell a fireworks. Stick in the ground a little bit. You can't because it'll blow up. I've done that before.
Well, you going to let them all off?
I wouldn't even risk it, as. It'll work, it'll go.
I think you're being a bit silly there, trying to
Yeah,
be
I'm thinking that and all. Go everywhere.
Just do the 2 and then
do the
just
2,
do the
but
one
yeah.
after.
Yeah.
Because that way you can use the
I'm gone.
pole things, can't you, to do it.
Oh, you got it.
Ah, yeah, you can use the other one and then it's easier, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got the other stick in there. You can use.
Good idea, pal.
Someone has to come with me to I can get in then make sure the dogs don't get out.
Sorted.
Yeah. They can let all 3 off at once now.
It's a bit tight.
Is it?
So I fit 2 in.
Bit tight as it has.
You like it tight now.
Yeah, come here, Stacey. What? Yeah, pardon. Yeah, pardon, pardon.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Well, you know I'm only pissing about.
I know you've been together a while now, haven't you?
9, isn't it, Stace? Yep.
Oh, we've got big boys there.
Yeah.
Got a big boy. Got a big boy going on.
That is a big ball. Aaron, are you sure you're going to
That
do
was the most kickiest I've ever heard.
Oh, go on.
Yeah.
no way, like, even though one's smaller than the other.
Come to one you do the other.
Guys, you need to make sure you fucking get the fuck away from them quick.
These ones first.
Quick time.
I can't, on both. These ones first. Not yours. Go on, go on, go on.
Holy shit!
Ooh!
Wicked!
Teamwork there, dude. Teamwork.
Yeah. Did you get it, Kim?
Just about.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, the fucking best one. I didn't get on the camera. I didn't click it quick enough.
Right, I need to go.
Have a piss break.
Yeah.